Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial I will show you how to add your shipping address on Taobao so you can start shopping with ease. So of course guys, first open the Taobao app or visit the Taobao website and log into your account. And of course guys, you just need to tap the Me tab at the bottom. Then you can go to your settings by tapping the gear icon. And here, you can tap on shipping address, then tap the plus button to add a new address. So here you'll be able to see here your delivery address. So here, fill in the receiver's name, phone number, the region, the detailed street address, and then of course the zip code. So fill in here. And once everything is correct, guys, just need to tap save so you can also set it as your default address. And if you're using a shipping agent or warehouse, you can copy their full Chinese address exactly as given. And that's it, guys. You've successfully added an address to your Taobao account. Like and subscribe for more helpful shopping tutorials.